Hey guys, welcome back. Now we're still on Maddie's 77 Trans Am, right? Just cranking through all the upgrades. Now what we've got on the table here is a brand new IDIDIT steering column, specifically for this car, right? So this is a, bolt-in, plug-and-play, and in my mind, because I've done so many IDIDIT columns over the years, right? It's kind of that sleeper, perfect DIY upgrade. Now we've got Trevor here as well. He's from IDIDIT, man. Known this guy for a long time, man. And if you're not careful, we might put you to work.
That's fine.
All right, give us the little lay of the land on what are the kind of cool features on a new column versus an old one like this? Because these get worn out, they get sloppy.
If you want to rebuild it, you're dealing with 50-year-old parts at this point plus. But you can buy an IDIDIT column where we've kind of recreated all the safety features that the original column had. We cleaned up it. It looks a lot nicer and cleaner than the old column. Of course, this is not a tilt, so we get some functionality there.
Tilt. So that's, right, you're adding functionality. I mean, how does that sound to you?
I mean,
right, because you're not the tallest driver I've ever seen. So where are you?
Yeah, it sounds great. I mean, I tried to move it one time, the original one, because it was kind of high. So I tried to move it, and I realized it didn't have the tilt. So this will be great. I can move it like 8 different times, I think.
Yeah,
like,
eight different positions, so you can dial it into Maddie style.
Yeah,
or,
instead of here.
You get a tall boyfriend that wants to go for a ride, you can click it back up again. No, no. Okay.
Not driving.
I get it. All right, so Trevor, we're pretty excited to, really help the next generation out. Like, how is it from your end, aftermarket support, seeing and being a part of kind of this movement here?
Right. We're really excited to help out the next generation, get them involved, get them excited about the industry. So we're happy to help you on this project.
I'm definitely excited, and I'm very grateful for companies who want to help kids like me.
Yeah. All right, well, speaking of that enthusiasm, right, I've got your keys to the new column right here. I'm going to hang on to them as motivation to get this thing done, because you got a driver's test coming up.
Yes, I do.
And I see some clean hands over here that just are begging to get dirty. So what do we say we throw some tools at the both of you and let you guys get this thing in?
Let's do it.
All right, I'll hang on to this. You hang on to that. See you at the end.
All right, still in the car, 77 Trans Am. Maddie's getting excited because, well, all this new stuff is getting thrown at her car, right?